Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Okay, shall we start the class? You are ready? What's the date today? What's the date today, students?
12th.
Yes, it's 12th June. Okay. Now we'll proceed with the problem. Okay. Yesterday we started with two more problems. On what problems? What are the problems on which we are doing? On which we are doing, students? The problems are based on what? Which module we are doing?
Lam's theorem, ma'am.
Yes, based on Lam's theorem, we are solving problems. Okay. Even though equations of equilibrium are available, we are going with Lam's theorem as a concept to know about. Where is Lam's theorem applicable? Application of Lam's theorem? Lam's theorem application? Tell me quickly. Quickly, students. Where do you apply the Lam's theorem? Yes. Where do you apply the Lam's theorem, students? When three forces are acting in a coplanar concurrent force plane. Repeat. Repeat. Where do you apply Lam's theorem? Lam's theorem, where is application? Students, where is application of Lam's theorem? Am I audible to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, when three forces meet at a point, in concurrent coplanar system, or you can say it as a coplanar. In a coplanar, they meet at a plane. In the same plane, they meet. So we call it as coplanar concurrent force system. Concurrent force. Say mute your voice. Mute yourself, student. Now please take down this problem. We'll continue. Somebody there, mute yourself. A crate of 200 mass.
వాడు ఉండే వరకు తోడుగానే పోయాలి. వాడు ఉండే వరకు.
Yes, take down. A crate of mass 200 kg. You are ready with your book, right, students? Which problem number is this? Which problem is this number? Yes. Students, which problem number we are doing? Which problem number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 or 8?
6th, ma'am.
Yes. Be active in the class. Respond to my questions. A crate of mass 200 kg. Write down very quickly. Is to be supported by a rope and a pulley arrangement as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. Determine the minimum force required, or determine the minimum required magnitude of force Minimum required magnitude of force F. Also find the direction of F. Also find the direction of F. Written. Draw the diagram. Neatly draw the diagram. 1 minute time I'll give you. 1 minute time I'll give you. Draw the diagram using scale pencil. Draw the diagram in your book. How many pulleys you find? How many pulleys? It is the same problem. I mean similar problem what we did yesterday, last problem. The same problem you find this also. How many pulleys are there? How many pulleys are there? There are 2 pulleys. What happened today to the class? What happened? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then interact, no? When I ask question. How many pulleys are there?
2 pulleys, ma'am.
How many pulleys are there?
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
2 pulleys are there. So how do you find how many? What is the force exerted by the rope here? Which are the rope here? Which are the rope here? The one which is running around the pulley. This is a rope. This is a rope. The same rope is also carried in this direction. This is also a rope. Okay, this is 200 kg. This is angle of 30 degree and theta. Now draw body diagram. Draw the free body diagram, students. Draw the free body diagram. Draw the free body diagram. How do you start the diagram of the free body diagram? How do you start? Let me know. How do you start?
X and Y axis, ma'am.
Yes, you have to draw X and Y axis. Correct. Then you transfer all the forces. So this is vertical force. How much it is? The weight? Weight of the vertical force. How much?
3 kilonewton, ma'am.
200 kg.
200 kg. 200 kg. Then you find a force F. And this is a rope which is carrying force in terms of tension. Since there are 2 ropes, 2 tension will be there. This tension is not equal to force. Tension in this problem. Tension is not equal to force. Only in this problem I am talking about. And what are the other data they are given? Vertical F is at an angle of theta. And here the vertical angle subtended is what is the angle subtended? 30 degree. Did you follow? Yes or no? Only in this problem, students, only in this problem, you don't find this tension is equal to force, because this value of force is different and this value of tension is different. Did you follow this? Writing the diagram? What has happened today, you students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. What is given now? We'll start with. What is given? It is 200 kg. The weight. Before that, what you are supposed to do? You have to label it. Let me label it as C, A, B, D. Anyhow, you can label, students. Okay. What is the force CA given? For CA, it is given as how much? 200 kg. Convert that into newtons. How much? 1 kg is equal to 1 kg is equal to 9.81 newtons. Actually, 1 kg force. 1 kg force. It has to be. Okay, 1 kg force. It is equal to 9.81. So I have to multiply with 9.81. How much you get? What's the value you get? Tell me the value.
1962.
1962. Correct? Then what else is given? What else is given? I can calculate theta CB. Can I calculate theta CB?
$60.
It is 60 degree. Correct. You should answer, then I'll go forward. Otherwise, no. Then what is theta CD?
90 minus theta.
90 minus theta. Anything else? The data is given. All the values correct? Yes? That's it? Yes. To find. To find. What has to found? Find. To find what?
Yes, ma'am.
What is to find? To determine what? To determine minimum force required for the force F and the direction F. So minimum force F value has to be determined, and the direction of force F. What's the direction here? What's the direction of force F? What is the direction of force F? Which angle is representing the direction force F?
Theta CD, ma'am.
Very good. Theta CD is representing direction of force F. Now, what is the condition given? Yesterday, this was a confusion with you all. What was the confusion? What was the condition given in the problem? Condition. What is the condition given?
Ma'am, the sign of the angle should be maximum, so that the force will be minimum.
Yes. So what's the question asked? Telling that minimum force. What is the minimum force? Minimum force. It should be force value of F should be equal to minimum force. It should be minimum force. So for F to be minimum, okay, student, theta value, whatever the theta value you can see in the diagram, that theta value should be maximum. for, you can write it like this, for F to be minimum force, theta has to be maximum. How it can be maximum? What is the maximum value of theta? See in the diagram and tell me what is the maximum value of theta? Theta, what could be the maximum value of theta? This theta I'm talking about. This theta. This
90.
theta, yes, it can range from 0 to 90. Yes, students, it can range from 0 to 90, correct? When F can be minimum, when theta has to be maximum. When theta can be maximum, when theta value has to be 90 degree. Okay, did you all follow this? Yesterday this confusion was there. Did you get this? Whole
Yes.
class?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now proceed with the regular step. What is the first step? What is the first step?
Apply Lamis theorem, ma'am.
Yes, apply Lamis theorem. Apply Lamis theorem. Lamis theorem. This is apostrophe S. Yes. Everybody switch on your camera. Focus on your book. Everybody. Everybody now switch on your camera and focus on your book. Start applying the rule. Everybody. Yes. Switch on your camera. Everybody start doing it quickly. Focus on your book. Focus on your book. Everybody. You can see the screen. I'm waiting for this. Everybody quickly switch on your camera. Focus on your book. Quickly. I'll mark attendance only to those students. Yes. 35 students are there in the class. One is already on hold. Ashish. Make it fast, students. Make it fast. I have to do one more problem. Yes, everybody. No reasons. Quickly switch on your camera and focus on your book. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. Very quickly you have to do it. Very quickly. Yes, very good. What about others? Yes. What about others? Only one student? Only Vimla? What about others? Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am. My video is not opening, ma'am.
Your video is not working. Okay, by Monday, everyone be ready there. Okay? Today I excuse for some or the other reason. On Monday, everyone be ready with your notes and video to be running. Okay, there's no excuse. Now continue with the problem. Give me the values. Give me the values. Can I write the force directly? Can I write down the equation directly? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me now. The equation you have to tell me, I'll write down. Yes, tell me the equation now of Lamis theorem. Quickly. Whatever it is coming for that problem. F? Tell me no.
FCA by
Ah.
sin alpha.
By sine? Tell ma.
90 plus 60.
90 plus 60. Ah. Then
2t by
2t by sine of
180 minus theta.
180 minus theta. Then
60 plus 90.
what? What should I
F,
write?
F, ma'am.
F
By
uh,
sin 60 plus 90.
sine
30 plus theta.
What should I write
Sin
here?
30 plus theta.
Now check your answers with a diagram of free body diagram. Sine FCA is what? FCA is 200. 200. What is this value? 30 plus theta. Correct? FCA divided by FCA is what? FCA is this force, right? What is the angle subtended by the other two forces? 30 plus theta. It is FCA 30 plus theta. What is this? You are given 90 plus 60. How? Can anybody?
That is F, ma'am. That is F, ma'am.
Okay.
Have to be found out.
FCA. I'll write this as FCA. Okay. Then you are given this to be as 2t. 2t opposite side is 90, 180. This value. What is this angle? For 2t. 2t opposite angle is 90 plus 90, 180. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Correct? Yes, correct. Now the last force. What is the last force? F. F opposite angle is, this is 60 plus 90. So F divided by sine 60 plus 90. So I'll write this as F divided by sine 90 plus 60. Okay, correct. Very good. Now calculate the answers. You have the any values here? Yes, you have values. You can calculate. At first 2t by sine 180 minus theta is equal to FCA is unknown. What is FCA, students? FCA value? What's the FCA value?
1962.
1962. 1962. 962 divided by sine 30 plus theta. Here F value we don't have. Sine 150. Correct? Now tell me now, how do you calculate for this? Yes, quickly. Tell me, students, how do you calculate further? We have theta as unknown. Theta is unknown. T is unknown. Then F is unknown. Three unknowns are there. we cannot calculate. What has to be done?
Ma'am, we have to write 2t by sine in terms of 90 plus theta or alpha, ma'am.
Which one with this term, this equation you're telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 90 plus 90 minus theta. Fine. Then where's the condition being applied now? Apply the condition, no? What is the condition
Theta
we
should
have?
Theta should be
Yes.
maximum.
Maximum of 90. It should be equal to 90. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you'll get? Here we have written here. We have written here this condition stating that for f to be minimum, theta has to be maximum. What can theta range from in one quadrant? It can range from 0 to 90 degree. So I can substitute theta as 90 degree or equate it to sine 90. I can show you here this problem which is solved here. See. Can you see this? Can you see the students?
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, should we substitute that 90 to only that 30 plus theta, ma'am? Or we can substitute to 180 minus
See.
also.
No. You cannot substitute for 180 minus theta. This T is representing for T. Your T tension in the rope is with respect to this angle. Correct? Whereas this W is with respect to this angle. If F is respect to with this angle of 90 of sine 90 plus 60. So with that we have to calculate what is F. F is equal to 1962 into sine 50 divided by sine 30 plus 90. We will get a value of in terms of what? How do you get this value? Tell me, students. Tell me how it is possible. When I'm telling here, it has to be maximum. How it can be maximum?
Substitute theta value as 90 in the sine 30 plus theta, ma'am.
60, ma'am.
Yes.
30 plus 60.
Yes. When it can be? When it can be? See, I'm telling you, it can range in one quadrant. In first quadrant, it can range from 0 to 90 degree. Correct? It can range from 0 to 90 degree. So it can have a maximum of 90 value only. Not crossing 90 degree. So what should be the value of this? Yesterday we did, I think you forgot. That is 30 plus theta is equal to sine 90. For that, what should be the value of theta? What should be the value of theta?
60, ma'am.
60. Because it can range only with 90 degree, not beyond 90 degree. What you're telling is like, don't get confused with this theta and this theta. I'm talking about this as quadrant. This as quadrant. Okay, quadrant ranging value of theta. Whereas this theta is with respect to sine 30 plus theta. So theta value should be equal to 60 degree. Please substitute and get me the answer now. Calculate. Did you understand? The class is very silent. Very silent the class is. So please take the value as 60 degree. Substitute for 1962 divided by sine of 30 plus 60 equals F divided by sine of 150. What's the first value you get? What's the first value you get? What is the first value you get? You don't get any value? What's the value of F?
Newton.
It is 1962 into sine 150 divided by sine 120. Please calculate. Everybody in the class has to calculate and give me the answer. Everybody.
981, ma'am.
981. It's half an hour, right? 10:30. It's I have to complete one more problem. 981 Newton.
Ma'am, that is
See,
denominator sine 90, ma'am.
I'm sine 90.
where? Yeah. Sorry, I have written 120, right? It is sine 90. Correct. Did you all follow? I'll repeat once again. From here, I'll repeat. See, you apply the Lamis equation. Fine. After applying the Lamis equation, you have three unknowns. Okay, please listen to me very carefully. You have three unknowns in the Lamis equation. What for which we have applied? Theta is an unknown, T is an unknown. So F is an unknown. Now it's a time to resolve or apply the given condition. What is a given condition? They are telling that F is a minimum force what we have to calculate for a maximum. When it is possible, when theta can be maximum. See in the free body diagram, you can see F is ranging in which quadrant. Let it be in any quadrant. It is ranging in one quadrant. It can range from one quadrant, means it can range from 0 to 90. Also, you may ask, ma'am, it can go beyond 90 also. No, that concept we don't, I mean, it is possible, but here it is a maximum of 0 to 90 only it is possible with this condition of the problem. So the quadrant is from 0 to 90. 0 to 90. Please mute yourself. 0 to 90. So with that condition, now we have this value of given force, given value of 1962 divided by sine 30 plus theta, where theta 30 plus theta is what? I have to equate it to sine 90, because for which I am supposed to calculate what is F. F is a minimum value. So sine 30 plus theta will be equal to sine 90. Therefore, theta value will be 60. Using this theta value 60, which is the inclination or the direction of force, your direction of force is at 50 degree, 60 degree, and your F value, the magnitude of force is 981. 981. Is there any doubt still? You have any doubt? Any doubt, students? No. Only one no. What about the remaining?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll proceed with the next. 1 second. One second, students. 1 second. Take down the next problem. Figure shows a rope supporting. Quickly, we have to finish. Supporting two loads. You can see the board, right? Two loads.
Yes, ma'am.
W and P. Two ropes W and P. If BC is horizontal, please underline this line. If BC is horizontal, if BC is horizontal and W is 600. Determine the load P. Determine the load P. Also find the tensile forces. Also find the tensile forces developed in the different segments of the rope. Different segments of the rope. Different segments of the rope. Written, everybody. Draw the diagram quickly. Very neatly you have to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram very neatly. Done?
Ma'am, can I show the diagram also?
Yes, yes. See, it's a very clear problem. Show rope supporting two loads. There are two loads which are being supported by the rope. Rope, you should keep in mind that tension is acting the rope. Tension, don't worry, it is not getting creating any tension to you. It is a force, equivalent force. The other way, we don't tell that rope is carrying any force. We say that rope is carrying tension. And BC is a horizontal. BC is not inclined. Why I am specifying that BC is horizontal, BC is horizontal. Next problem you will find wherein BC is inclined. BC is inclined. BC is again a rope here. And you see that W is 600. W is 600. And the load P is P given. Find the tensile forces. What is this tensile forces, ma'am? You may ask. Tensile force is one type of force. Okay, it's an adjective added here. Don't worry about the adjective here. It's a tensile. Okay, adjective, but it's a force only. It's creating a tensile force. It's creating a tensile force. Okay, and developed in the different segments of the rope. Different segments of the rope. Okay, draw the diagram. Now, how many free body diagrams will exist, students? How many free body diagrams will exist?
One, ma'am.
Okay, then any more answers? Any more answers? Two. Then any more
Two, ma'am.
answers? Two. Any more? Two is correct answer. How did you judge? How did you judge? Students, how did you judge? Yes?
Ma'am, on
Because,
BC, two tension forces will be there, ma'am. One along W and one along P.
yes, correct. You can see here B is a point where it is connecting to three ropes. And C is a point where it is again connecting to three ropes. So it is possible to apply equation of equilibrium at point B also and point C also. We cannot apply it together. We cannot have only one free body diagram. I should have two free body diagram at what places? At point B and point C. Okay. Okay. Now everybody start drawing the free body diagram at at B. Everybody draw the free body diagram at B. Can you do that? Yes, quickly. No time, you should finish. You should finish this problem within this given time. Yes, at point B, I'll drop one x and y axis. This is point. I'll take one more color. Then I'll mark this as point B. Am I correct? Then what is this? It is connected to what point at B? At point B, it is connected to C. I don't know the direction of the tension. I'll take it as FBC. Okay. And at point B, you find a load acting downwards. What is the value of that load? Given as W. Okay. Never mind. We'll take it as FBA, FAB. Okay. Then what is the other rope? It is connected. The point B is connected to A. So that is A. This I'll keep it as W only. Okay. This is connected to A. So this is A. So this is FBA. What is the angle of inclination, students, of FBA? So this is 30 degree. Do you agree? Yes or no? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is a free body diagram at B point. Okay. Now we'll go further. I'll draw the free body diagram at C later. Okay, students. Now I will apply Lam's theorem directly. Now, what is given? What is given, students? Value of W is given. Value of W is given. W is how much? 600. 600 kilonewton or Newton? It's Newton.
Ma'am.
Newton. And they say that BC is horizontal. Okay. And then what else they're telling? To find what? What is to find?
Tensile
Force. In all the, determine the load P also. You have to determine P and tensile forces. So I'll call it as FBA. How many ropes are there, students? First you identify how many ropes are there in the figure. Segments. How many segments are there?
3, ma'am.
A is a segment. AB is a segment. Wait 1 second. AB is a segment. Okay. Okay, students. Then
Yes, ma'am.
BC is a segment. Segment of ropes. Parts of rope. And CD is a segment. So find the tensile forces, Mane. I am supposed to calculate FAB, FBC and FCD. So that is what I'll write here again. FBA and FAB are both same, students. Okay. FBA, FBC, then what I find? FCD. Isn't it? In the given problem. In the given problem. Am I correct? FCD, it is here. Force in this, and force in this. Artha agtidya? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now apply Lam's theorem, Lam's equation directly. Apply. Lam's equation. Correct? Now calculate the values. Now directly you can apply, students. For W, what is the value of sine angle? Huh? Yes, tell me. For W.
60 plus 90, ma'am.
60 plus 90. So 60 plus 90. Okay. Now for FBA, FBA sine 90. Do you agree? FBC sine ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
90 plus 30, ma'am.
Only 1 student, 2 students, 3 students. That's all. What about remaining? Huh? I'll mark only 3%. Those are continuously answering. So what is W value? Value of W is
600 Newton, ma'am.
600 Newton divided by sine 150 equals FBA sine 90. If you know, you can skip these steps and do it directly, students. Since I'm doing all this because there are some slow learners also. So FBA will be equal to 600 into sine 90 divided by sine 150. What's the value of FBA? I equated these two terms only.
1200.
1200 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ? You should give me a complete answer. Now similarly do it for this. The next term 600 divided by sine 150 equals FBC divided by sine 120. Then therefore what is FBC? Give me complete answer.
Thousand 39.23 Newton.
1039.23 Newton. Very good. Very different voice this time. Very good. So 2 different values I got. That is to FBC and FCA I got. Now next what I should do, students? Quickly. What I should do? ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು next? I told you we have to draw the free body diagram at 2 points, at B and at C. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We have to draw the free body diagram at point C, ma'am.
C. Yes. Start doing it. I think all are sleeping. Free body diagram at point C. Use colors, different colors. Don't get confused there. This is point C. Yes. At point C, what do you find? What is the force dropping down from point C?
P, ma'am.
P. Then it is associated to which member? C is associated to which member? Which segment? C is associated
BC,
with
ma'am.
BC and CD. So it is associated to BC. So what I should write it here as FCB. And here it is FC what? D. What is the angle?
Yes.
It is at an angle of 60 degree.
60 degree.
Remember students, I am writing this FCB in the away from point C. Away from point C. Every direction of the force is away from point C. Now substitute, apply Lami's equation now directly. Quickly apply. P divided by sine of, now tell me, P divided by sine of, really?
90 plus
120.
30, ma'am.
Yes, 90 plus 30. Then I'll go with FCB. FCB is equal to sine of
60 plus 90.
60 plus 90. Then FCD sine of
90.
90. Now, I don't know P. I don't know FCD. I don't know FCB. Then what I should do? I know something here. I know anything, any value here? I
No,
know
ma'am.
any. No, I don't know P value. I don't know FCD value. Do I know FCB value?
Yes, ma'am. 1039.23.
Yes, very good. FCB is equal to FBC. I'll tell you how it is. In the problem, they are telling BC. BC is horizontal. Please listen carefully, students. BC is horizontal. In the first free body diagram, we applied in this direction. Am I correct? We applied FBC. Correct, now, students? In this direction, we applied from point B as a free body diagram. At point C as a free body diagram, we are applying FCB. Yes, both are equal. Both are equal and opposite in direction. So BC will be in horizontal position only. FBC is equal to FCB. It has to be the same force has to act in the segment of BC. So FBC is whatever FBC value you have, which is also equal to FCB. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you substitute and solve. I'll continue in the next class. You please keep solving. Meantime, I'll take the attendance. Yes, I'll take the attendance now. Quickly.
And
Yeah.
P is equals to 1799.99 Newton.
Yeah, very good, very good. I'll come to you once again. I'll complete. It's time already. Aditi?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Rao is not there. Likit?
Present, ma'am.
Geeta?
Ma'am, you're not present, ma'am.
Who is present?
Dhruti, ma'am.
Geeta?
Present, ma'am.
Jnanashri?
Present, ma'am.
Taruna? Kishan?
Ma'am, Kishan present.
Mohan? Pawan? Pranav?
Present, ma'am.
Akash?
Present, ma'am.
Sheka?
Present, ma'am.
Rishi?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishika?
Present, ma'am.
Sayeda?
Present, ma'am.
Rohit?
Present, ma'am.
Saida?
Present, ma'am.
Parna?
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Vimala?
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek? Bharat? Chetan?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruva,
Present, ma'am.
Harini,
Present, ma'am.
Manish. Those who are done can leave the class. You can join the other class. Mohit, Mokshagna, Nitish, Pawan, Prashant,
Present, ma'am.
Pritam,
Present, ma'am.
Vamshi, Vikas,
Present, ma'am.
Vinay,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashish,
Present, ma'am.
Karan.
Present, ma'am.
Karan is present.
Present.
Gulam,
Present, ma'am.
Prumurti,
Present, ma'am.
Manohar, Pramok,
Present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
thank you.
Darshan present, ma'am.
Darshan present. Long time
Present.
Darshan. Huh? Okay, fine. Any doubt you have, please clarify. You got some value. You can leave the class. We'll continue in the next class. But hope you complete this problem at your free time. Thank you.